I request all the students to be quiet and maintain the decorum.
Why is everyone looking at us like that? I feel awkward now. Who is she to ask?
So the request the dignitaries to occupy.
I request the dignitaries to occupy the seats here. Good morning, everyone. It is truly an honor to welcome you all to the 10th National Conference on Information and Communication Technology, conducted by the Faculty of Engineering and Technology and the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, with the Association of Computing Engineers. NCICT'25 Matrix is a conference where students and aspiring research scholars showcase their ideas and innovation.
That's right. Do you know Matrix stands for Machine Learning, Artificial Intelligence, Transfer Learning, Robotics, IoT and Expandable AI. So this conference is all about innovation, collaboration and pushing the boundaries of technology and research. With scholars, professionals and students, we are set for an inspiring exchange of ideas.
That's interesting. It's an exciting milestone as we mark the 10th edition of this national conference.
No better way to celebrate this journey by diving right in. So without any further delay, let's begin our proceedings.
Now, as a mark of respect and pride for our mother tongue, let us all rise for the Tamil Thai Vaalthu.
Light symbolizes wisdom, prosperity and the elimination of ignorance. To mark the formal commencement of this prestigious conference, I request HOD ma'am to lead the esteemed dignitaries to light the Kutuvelakku.
Any participants can join for the lighting of the Kuthavalakku if you are interested.
Thank you. Can you continue? Thank you everyone. To set the stage for today's event, let us invite Dr. S. Geeta Ma'am, HOD CSC, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning and warm welcome to one and all present here on the dais and off the dais and my dear students. Today we have gathered here for the inauguration of NCICT, the 10th sequel of each and everyone, those who have assembled here. I take this opportunity to brief about the university and the department to the guests and the participants who have come from other colleges. Dr. MGR Engineering College was established in the year 1988. The college acquired deemed university status in 2003 as Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute as per orders of University Grant Commission and Ministry of Human Resource and Development, New Delhi. Our university has been given a special status and granted significant autonomy by UGC and MHRD in the year March 2018. The deemed university was accredited by NAAC with A+ grade in the year 2022. Currently, we have around 30,000 students studying in various faculties and programs. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering aims for achieving excellence in computing discipline with wide spectrum of academic programs in computing of present-day standards. We are proud to say that BTech CSE program is accredited by National Board of Accreditation in the year 2023. And Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology accredited, it's an international accreditation in the year 2018. Other courses offered by the other programs offered by the department are BTech CSE, BTech CSE Specialization AI, BTech CSE Specialization Data Science, BTech CSE Specialization Data Science and AI in association with IBM, BTech Cyber Forensic in association with Center of Excellence in Digital Forensic, MTech CSE, MTech CFIS, and BSc and MSc programs. Many industry experts teach the course and share their expertise as visiting professors. Our department boasts state-of-art infrastructure, including special lab aligned with our technical divisions, many of which are generally supported by industry. We strongly encourage our students to push beyond the curriculum, exploring innovative solutions and developing skills that will serve them well in their future careers. This holistic approach enables our standard to stay ahead of the curve and make a meaningful impact in the chosen field. The department offers plenty of co-curricular and skill enrichment programs apart from the curriculum to students through IBM Software Center of Excellence, IIT Bombay program, Cisco Net Academy, Red Hat Academy, Microsoft Academy, and so on. To nurture creativity and innovation, our department regularly organizes workshops, hands-on training, and guest lecture in collaboration with industry partner to give an exposure to the industry expectation. We also actively encourage our students to participate in national project competitions and similar events, providing them with platforms to showcase their skills, gain exposure, and learn from the best. By doing so, we empower our students to think out of the box, develop innovative solutions, and stay ahead in their academic and professional pursuits. We believe in interactive learning and provide several opportunities to students for experimental learning also. This academic year, industrial visits were arranged to ISRO, ISTRACT Bengaluru, BSNL, IIT Research Park, and Commissioner of Police, and so on. Our department felicitates internship opportunities for final year students and third year students in numerous renowned IT companies like CTS, TCS, X-XAI, and so on. This collaborative effort enables our students to gain practical industry experience, apply theoretical knowledge, and develop essential skills, preparing them for successful careers in the tech sector. I can proudly say our students also have international exposure to do their international internship at some of the best university in the worldwide as Ravensburg University, London, UK, Sheffield Hallam University, UK, University of North Dakota, US, National Taiwan University, Taiwan, University Technology Petronas, Malaysia, etc. This international collaboration helped them to interact with professors across the globe and exhibit their innovative ideas in different upcoming domains. It is not just this, our students, but also showcase their talents and innovative spirits in participating in hackathons, competitions conducted by different sectors like CSA, IEA, IET, Newgen, IEDC, MSME. This demonstrates their courage, skills, and determination. So I take this opportunity, I'm very happy to brief about our department to the chief guests, those who are going to witness it. I take this opportunity to congratulate the NCICT'25 faculty coordinators, faculty members, our technical team, and students, volunteers to have made this journey of planning and organizing very pleasurably and efficient one. And a big applause to them. Once again, I join with my colleagues to welcome our chief guest of the day, Sri Kupusamy sir and Mr. Bhargav, our proud alumni, and all the dignitaries on the stage and off the stage, and my dear students. So welcome one and all. Thank you. Good luck and best wishes for the success of NCICT'25. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome.
To provide us with an overview of the 10th National Conference NCICT'25 Matrix and its objectives, we now invite Dr. G. Sonia Priyadarshini ma'am, Professor, Department of CSE, to brief us on the event.
There is no I in V team. Good morning, all the dignitaries, my friends, and my dear students. I am Dr. G. Sonia Priyadarshini, Professor of CSE Department and one of the organizing secretaries of this prestigious event. Alongside my co-organizing secretary, Mrs. A. Maheshwari, Assistant Professor of CSE, it is with great pleasure that we extend our warm welcome to each and every one of you to the 10th National Conference of Innovative Computing and Techniques, NCICT'25 Matrix, hosted by our Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This conference serves as a vibrant platform for researchers, academics, and students across the nation to showcase their ideas, share innovations, and delve into the latest trends in the field of computing. NCICT'25 aspires to nurture collaboration, ignite creativity, and facilitate the exchange of knowledge in the key areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, IoT, cloud computing, and beyond. Orchestrating a national level conference such as this requires thoughtful planning, seamless coordination, and unwavering commitment for a number of dedicated committees working tirelessly behind the screens. Our department entrusted the responsibility of organizing secretaries to myself and Mrs. A. Maheshwari under the esteemed guidance of our HOD ma'am. To streamline this process, various committees were formed, each entrusted with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. The MC team is ably led by Dr. Victor ma'am. The design committee headed by Mr. Saravanan, Mr. Jay, and Vidya ma'am crafted the conference brochure, which was then distributed both digitally and in hard copy to the institutions across the country. Social media channels played a vital role in amplifying our outreach. The souvenir committee led by Dr. Shobharani ma'am and Dr. Ramesh Babu sir liaised with our university journal team and successfully secured an ISBN number for our conference proceedings. Paper submissions were received via Microsoft CMT with our digital communication team, Mrs. Selvamina, Dr. Sujita ma'am, and Ms. Akhila ma'am, doing an exemplary job in coordinating with authors and providing timely updates. We are delighted to receive nearly 400 submissions from institutions across India. Notable contributions came from Andhra International University of Mohan Babu, Prince Shri Venkateshwara Padmavati College of Engineering, Chavan College of Engineering Nagpur, Wales Institute, Savita College, and SRM College of Engineering. The submitted papers were reviewed by external reviewers from various deputed institutions, coordinated efficiently by our review panel team, Dr. Kumanan sir, Dr. Kruba ma'am, and Dr. Usha ma'am. This paper presentation sessions were meticulously managed by Dr. Sai, Dr. Rekha ma'am, and Dr. Divya ma'am, ensuring a smooth and enriching experience for our participants. This morning, we welcomed our participants who were greeted with kits thoughtfully arranged by our package procurement team, Mr. Sendevelan sir and Dr. Mohan Das sir, and distributed by the participant package team comprising Mrs. Golda ma'am, Nalini ma'am, Revati ma'am, Sublakshmi ma'am. The aesthetic aspects and welcoming ambience were beautifully curated by Mrs. Kanapriya ma'am and Priyanka ma'am and their creative team. An equally vital role were played by our finance committee, Priyanka ma'am and Praveen sir. Additionally, the sponsorship committee were led by Anthony sir and Ramesh Babu sir played a significant role in reaching out the sponsors and securing support to make the event a grand success. This responsibility of preparing organizing certificates were efficiently handled by the certificate committee comprising Mr. Mohan, Dr. Nisha ma'am, and Dr. Revati ma'am, who ensured that each and every participant and contributor is rightfully acknowledged. We take immense pride in the enthusiastic participation of young and vibrant minds whose contribution to research papers reflect the promise of tomorrow's technology. None of this would have been possible without the relevant efforts of our organizing teams, the unwavering support of our management, and encouragement of our respected President Sir, Head of the Department, additional and deputy HODs of our department. As we embark this meaningful journey today, let us open our minds to new learning, fruitful discussions, and valuable connections. May NCICT'25 be the launchpad for many future research milestones and professional accomplishments. Thank you all for being with us today. Conferences like this are a testament to make what we have achieved through unity, passion, and purpose. While organizing such an event, there is no small task. We are truly grateful for this opportunity. Wishing you all an intellectual, rewarding, and engaging experience of NCICT'25 Matrix. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We all are glad to know about the NCICT'25 Matrix. Now, we would like to kindly invite Dr. D. Vishwanathan, Rector, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, to address the gathering.
Good morning to all. Distinguished chief guest of this conference, Thru Kupaswamy, our guest of honor, Through Bhargav, respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Mehta, Professor Cyril Raj, Professor Etiraj, Professor Geeta, distinguished faculties, delegates, dear students. I am delighted to participate in this conference. I am very happy and I would like to congratulate the organizers for choosing one of the very right topic for this conference. I am honored to be here today to discuss the exciting field of innovative computing techniques. As we gather in this hall, we are surrounded by the fruits of technological advancements that have transformed our lives. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, computing has become an integral part of our daily lives. Innovative computing techniques are revolutionizing industries and creating new opportunities. They enable us to solve complex problems, improve efficiency, and enhance decision making. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we must also address the challenges that come with these advancements. For example, the artificial intelligence and machine learning, it has an ensuring transparency in artificial intelligence and decision-making process, designing computer systems inspired by the human brain, and empowering systems to learn and improve. The emerging technologies harnessing quantum phenomena for faster computational power, processing data closer to the source, reducing latency, secure and decentralized data management, and internet working physical devices, vehicles, and buildings. High-speed communication networks, it is 5G technology, improved performance in environments with many connected devices with Wi-Fi, direct communication between brain and external devices is the brain-machine interface. Managing and analyzing large data sets is big data analytics. Forecasting future events and trends is the predictive analytics. Extracting insight from text data and automating visual inspection in manufacturing, detecting and analyzing malware behavior, and reducing environmental impact. These are some of the areas I am sure that it is going to be discussed in this conference. I would like to emphasize the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration, creativity, and continuous learning in driving innovation in computing. By working together and sharing knowledge, we can unlock new possibilities and create a brighter future. I would like to encourage the students and young professionals in the audience to explore the vast potential of innovative computing techniques. Your curiosity and passion can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations that will shape the world. Thank you and wish you all the best in your pursuit of knowledge and innovation.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words.
Now, we would like to invite Dr. V. Cyril Raj, sir, Additional Registrar, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, to address the gatherings.
The most respected rector of our university, Dr. Viswanathan, sir, such concepts can be, circle can be extended also. So this is what actually I want to say. So if you have such an ability, any organizations that you are going to work nuclear will think twice. In the period of worst recession nuclear, they'll think twice that actually such an important person, that is, who is capable of handling these 4 important domains of the information technology nuclear, need not be sent out. He is a precious resources. So this is the way that actually, we have to plan and then we have to proceed in this, professional development. Dear students, I hope this NCICT conference nuclear will give us lot of insights onto the latest development which are happening there in all these domains. So that nuclear will have additional weapon for the winning of that particular professional war. So I thank once again our head of the department, Dr. Geeta, and then the organizing secretary, Dr. Sonia, and then the rest of the faculty members for bringing such a very, very informative conference to our students community. I wish all the participants grand success.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful words. Now we would like to invite Dr. N. Ethiraj, sir, Dean ENT, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, to address the gathering.
Good morning, all of you. Respected Rector of our University, Dr. Viswanathan, sir. Chief Guest, Mr. Kupusabi, sir. And proud alumni of MGR, D.V. Bhargav, sir. All the dignitaries on the dais as well as on the off the dais, and my dear students. See, actually, you may be asking why you want to conduct all these national, international seminars or symposiums, conferences. What is the need for it? Generally, it is not an event for enjoyment, it is for the event of knowledge gaining. Actually, speaking of when we are defining a curriculum, what we do is usually very important thing any discipline is the fundamentals. Without fundamentals, you can't build anything. So fundamental is a must. So when we are, we are doing the curriculum design, we concentrate more on within a span of 4 years, we are supposed to give whatever possible fundamentals are there. Is required for that particular discipline we are trying to give it. Plus some of the advanced technologies we want to incorporate, in the sense we will try to incorporate in the regular curriculum itself, or else we will give you as an elective. But when unfortunately when the electives are given, the option is given to the students. So whether the students are able to think about their future and then decide their elective, or based on some other factor they select the electives. So it's getting diluted. So when you want to see what is happening in your discipline or in your field or domain, the only way is you have to read the journal of papers, articles, research articles especially, because that exposes the current status in that particular domain. And these conferences, as well as symposiums, helps you to share some of the latest advanced technologies, what is going on in and around you. Say, I'll tell you, for example, we had an interaction with the chief guest as well as the alumni. That time they were talking about so many words like Hive, ETL and all. This is new to us. All the staff members were just watching as if they are talking some other language. Just imagine that day-to-day life, every day, the computer technology is dynamically changing. What is existing today may not be existing in the 2 days after. So keep on changing technology. So we have to be in par with this technology advancement. So you have to update yourself, upgrade yourself, upskill yourself. So it is a call of the day. You cannot live it. You cannot ignore it. If you ignore, you will be out of the race or you will be the last person. That's all. So it is very, very important to update. Don't think that when you go out of the college or university, whatever you know is going to be fit for the industry. Definitely no. The industry expects more than what you know. And you have to adapt yourself in the industry also within a very, very, very short period of time. They won't wait for your adaptability. And apart from that, you have to sustain in the same place. You have to be there in the company for a long time to know about in and out of it. But unfortunately, people are keeping on changing for the sake of money within a short period of time. But after 10 years, whatever you ask, they don't know. Everything is a little bit only they know. So with that note, I really congratulate the Department of Computer Science and Engineering for selecting this domain. And I hope that students will definitely gain some knowledge in the advanced technology. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. As we move forward, it's our great privilege to have our esteemed chief guest with us today. To formally introduce our distinguished guest, we invite Dr. T.V. Anandan, sir, Additional Head of DS&AI, to take the stage.
Good morning, one and all present here on the dais and off the dais. At the outset, we would like to thank our President who gave a constant support in conducting such a wonderful event for the benefit of students. On behalf of Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute and Department of Computer Science and Engineering, it is my pleasure to introduce Sri R. Kuppusamy, Senior Director, National Informatics Center and Scientist F. Born in agriculture family, Ammapete village, Kadalur district. His post-graduation MSc Mathematics at Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore, and PG Diploma in Computer Application at Bharadas University, Trichy. He joined as a scientific assistant in National Informatics Center, Headquarters, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, New Delhi, in January 1990. On behalf of NIC, he served the computerization of the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, New Delhi from 1990 to 2011. His major computerizations are district-wise country crop production statistics system, that is a vital system for study the impact of agriculture scheme and launch new agriculture scheme for the country. Second one, district-wise land use statistics system, that is vital system to study and analyze the land use classification and irrigated and unirrigated area of the country. Third one, National Animal Disease Reporting System, NADRS, that is resource system for village-wise livestock disease monitoring, controlling and eradication from the country. And the fourth one, data warehousing system for Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. It's a powerful resource system. He is transferred from NIC from Delhi to Chennai in the year 2011 and posted at Bureau of Immigration, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Anna International Airport, Chennai. And additionally to look after BOI, Chennai Seaport for strengthening and monetization of its service under National E-Governance Project of Immigration, Visa, Foreigners Registration and Tracking System, IVFRT system, and serving till date. He was awarded twice as the Best Performing Officer Award by Bureau of Immigration for the dedicated service to the BOI. Country visited on behalf of NIC, rolled out C-Visa system of IVFRT at embassies of India, Lagos and Abuja, Nigeria in the year 2013. He presented various seminars among the peers of Pan-India over video conferencing. Some of them are natural language processing, data mining, data engineering software in the year 2024, in-depth understanding of ML algorithms in 2023, insight on predictive analytics, insight on Hadoop ecosystem, HBase, Spark, real-time processing of big data in the year 2022, big data concepts and deliverables in the year 2019. An article was published by National English Daily, The Hindu, about the project IVF40, in which he has been working for more than a decade in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
I request everyone to please be seated. Moving on, we kindly invite our Vice Chancellor Ma'am, who is here with us for today, to grace the event, to best of the presidential address.
A very good morning to all my dear students and the faculty. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to stand before you today on the inaugural session of Matrix NCICT 2025, the 10th National Conference on the Information and Communication Technology. First and foremost, I should thank the chief guests who have come here and the Department of Computer Science and my dear Geeta, who has, and her team, and the students who have toiled a lot for past few months to make this possible today. And I thank the management also, our Chancellor A.C. Shanmugam and our President A.C.S. Arun Kumar, for giving you this beautiful opportunity today to share your thoughts and discuss about what is going to happen in future. So first and foremost, I extend a warm welcome to all the esteemed guests here, the keynote speakers, industry specialists, academicians and research scholars and students who have gathered here. This conference marks a significant milestone, and in a decade of innovation, collaboration and knowledge sharing in the field of ICT. Over the past 10 years, the NCICT has evolved into a dynamic platform that bridges the gap between academia and industry and continues to inspire breakthroughs in research and technology. Dear students, you have to utilize this platform for your research and knowledge sharing. The theme of this year's conference, Matrix, reflects the complex yet fascinating interconnection of disciplines and innovations that shape the digital analytics and beyond. In the era where technology defines progress, conferences like this, more than just academic gathering, they are the catalysts that spark new ideas, nurture partnership, and build a stronger technological ecosystem in future. Dear students, it's all for you. So it's not a speech which is being given by the guest and myself. It is you who have to come out with your ideas, and so that people in the industry can help you out in many ways through your project or training or skill training, whatever it is. So I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of the organizing committee, student volunteers, and faculty members who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. As we embark on this 2-day journey of exploration, discussion, and discovery, I encourage all of you to engage actively. Share your knowledge, and most importantly, be inspired by the speech of all the speakers who have come here all the way to share their knowledge and their experience. So let this 10th edition of NCICT be a celebration of how far we have come and the launchpad for how much we have to go further in future. With this, I declare and the NCICT'25, the Matrix Conference, open today for the future for the 2 days. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for taking your time for us. We are grateful.
Now to honor our chief guest, Shri R. Kuppusamy Sir, Senior Director, Scientist F, National Informatics Center, we kindly request our Vice Chancellor ma'am to felicitate. Now to honor our alumni guest, Dr. D.V. Bhargav, TCS Senior Engineer. We once again request our Vice Chancellor ma'am to felicitate.
Research is at the heart of academic excellence, and what better way to commemorate this conference than by launching the magazines of Department of CSE.
We are proud to unveil 4 magazines done by our students and the staff who led them throughout the process. Each magazine representing the remarkable work of each department, unique to their domains.
First, we present the magazine of BTech CSE. This is the 39th edition of CSIT Times, led by Dr. Victor Sudha George, ma'am, and the students of CSE. Welcome, ma'am.
I request the students to come on stage. Stand here. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Next, we unveil the magazine from BTech DS and AI, showcasing their 4th edition of Technobytes Dataverse, led by Mrs. A. Maheshwari ma'am at the students of DS and AI. I request all the students and staff to get on the stage.
Moving forward, we launched a magazine from BTech AI featuring the 4th edition of Vidyarthi, led by Dr. Kruba Devi ma'am and the students of AI.
I request all the students and the staff to get on the stage. Finally, we present the magazine from BTech CFIS presenting their 4th edition of Hackers Inc., led by Dr. Mohandas sir and the students of CFIS. I request the staffs and the students to get on the stage, please.
మొత్తం పేరు ఇన్సిడెంట్
With that, we officially released magazines of Department of CSE, celebrating the collective efforts and dedication of our students, staff and the academic community. Thank you everyone.
Now, we eagerly invite our distinguished chief guest, Shri R. Kuppusamy sir, Senior Director, Scientist F, National Informatics Center, to deliver the inaugural address. Sir, the stage is yours.
I request
Students, please be seated.
Dear participants, very good morning to all of you. It is really a great opportunity for me meeting all of you. This much student, really I feel very proud of. Is there na? It is the unique name of Tamil Nadu. Really you are very proud of keeping your certificate, studying in this institution. Really it is, you may not be knowing in depth. Nowadays social media is there. Please see that 3-letter word is each and every Tamil person who lived in this country living, all their part of their heart actually. Now you are carrying in your career also, you are getting great opportunity to study here actually. I am very much thankful to giving this opportunity by the management, computer science department, your Geeta ma'am, sir, Sunathan sir, your Geeta Lachimi madam, vice chancellor, our ACS son Arun Kumar sir, For all of them, I am very much thankful for giving this opportunity. That theoretically what you are studying, practically, please all keep some 20 minutes listen so that you will get my expertise what I had for more than 3 decades. Part of the future, it is not fully for the computer science. The computer science is yet diversified. Computer science networking is there, database is there, big data is there, machine learning, and a different area is there. So it is also going to play a role. Let me see simply, data means you all know where it is a information. Almost few, for this much decade, data which we used for the summation. Summation means very easy to understand how much percentage mark you scored means the summation used to be there. What is the average is there, who is the university first, and this kind of statistics, what is the best performing, average scoring. This much work only we carried out in the data. When data became data science means endless. Now chemistry having endless, physics is going to endless, it is keep on continuing. We are doing the research. Like that data which is collected, it is there, it is going to come, all endlessly it is going to be make. MI is not the end, AI is not the end, it is keep on continuing, keep on developing. It will grow like anything, forever it will be there. So computer science, earlier they used to tell computer science will go down, up, it is not like that. When it becomes the science, it will keep on continuing, it will keep on go as long as the world exists. So please keep it in that, the data is going to play a key role. Now, okay, I told you here, I had been worked in agricultural informatic division. Agricultural informatic division means you may be understanding, very prominent. The backbone of the country is the agriculture. Whatever the food we are going to have, it comes from agriculture only. So for that computerization from the district level, from scratch, it was on the paper in 1990. Those information from district level collected by our organization. I had a great opportunity to computerize from scratch to the national level, all the district of area and production. Please come to just in your background the computer knowledge so that you will understand what data analytic, what data science actually. So data, agriculture means what? Area, how much area a crop is grown. Supposedly, example you take paddy. Paddy is this much area is grown. Definitely it is going to provide a production. That is there. So yield means how much percentage of yield, production by area. If it is 7.5 comes means 710 of production has come. That is the meaning of that. This much only we carried out. Last 30 years of data is with us. Tell me that in a district means there may be a 20 crop, 25 crop or even 30 crops also, different crops are grown. All the time farmer may not grow exactly paddy, exactly sugarcane, exactly wheat. It is not like that. It may change. So the data is with us. Earlier we are not in a position to do. Next year farmer, what they are going to grow, we don't have the technology. Now today you have the technology by sitting at New Delhi, sitting at Chennai, you can see throughout India, throughout Tamil Nadu. Next, in this particular district, Vellore district or Kanjipuram district, farmer will move from which crop to which crop will come new in. This kind of things can be analyzed by sitting at Chennai itself, New Delhi itself. For that, that is the data analytic. That is the hidden relation. You see, any data which is there, in between there is a hidden relationship is there. Those things can be analyzed very easily. That is the possibility through data analytics only. And also see, I also been served in the animal husbandry sector. Animal husbandry sector, we are having every day morning, we wake up with agriculture only. If you want to have a tea, there is a milk has to come. If you want to have a paneer, curd, everything is coming from the livestock sector only. That is very important sector. Now, any animal affected by any disease, unless it is taken to the hospital, veterinary hospital, or it is detected by the experienced people, don't know. There is a possibility now wearable technology is coming. Wearable technology means that year of livestock, the RFID is going to be packed in, even chips also will be integrated in the body. So the animal, the moment those data will be transmitted into the server lively in the cloud. So automatically which animal is going to be affected, what are the production is going to be lost, whether production will be increased or not. This kind of things can be analyzed very easily through this technology. Whatever I am expressing, all is being government already doing in pipeline. That is the way only it is growing. Okay. Now last 13 years I have been serving in the immigration, visa, foreigner registration and tracking. It is a IVF40 system, national e-governance system. National e-governance means it was invented by our late former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. E-governance means you know very well. Now nobody cannot have more than one ration card because it is integrated with our Aadhaar number. Earlier, same person will have multiple ration card, that all be eliminated due to this e-governance only. Same such kind of process, e-governance project, I have been working in the Chennai airport for immigration computerization. Here, see, deep learning is there. You know, you might have seen or read in the newspaper or anything that duplicate passport was catch hold at Chennai airport. You might have heard any time, because person will impersonate in the passport and they will bring the passport. Now earlier they used to see physically, somewhat they will apply the technology and they will put in the UV lamp, they will check actually whether it is a duplicate passport or a duplicate visa. Indian government issued passport visa, they cannot be duplicated, but foreign passport and if they duplicated, now that deep learning technology, their conventional neural network, it will trace every nook and corner of the passport. The moment swipe, it will see apply the neural network, it will tell that it is a duplicate passport, duplicate visa. That much level the technology has come. The same thing is going to apply in all area. Agriculture also I will tell you. You might have heard about the drone is there. The drone is being presently used for the agriculture purpose. How? Woman empowerment group of Punjab, they have this drone. Every agriculture field, the drone is being taking the photograph, and also it is spreading this pesticide, not the human. It will be loaded in the drone. Drone is spreading like that. It is okay. Now you tell me that the same drone, without any program, if you allow, what it will do? It will spread the pesticide, the area which you earmarked, everything it will spread. But at the same time, if you take the photograph of through deep learning, if you take photograph of the agriculture field and directly store in the cloud, after that, if you apply the pesticide, other kind of thing, and again the drone if you rotate in the agriculture field, wherever the effect is more, there more pesticide will be spread. Wherever the less is there less will be done by the machine. This is the machine learning. This is the deep learning. You may be thinking, sir, little bit pesticide saving, what is going to be happened? Please think about throughout the India, how it is. It will save many things. There is a concept is there, precision farming. Minimum expenses and maximum production, which is possible through this only. Big farmers already implemented big data, deep learning, machine learning for the agriculture sector. Our concern, being a government officer, our concern is that marginal farmer, small farmer, how through this technology will get benefited. That is being worked out. That's why in Punjab it has been already rolled out, and they are being surveying the field through drone. And also see, this is the e-governance. Earlier any report is there, somewhere they will sit and write this much acre like that. It is not like that now. Everything, if a drone is rotating in an agriculture field, the agriculture field comes which land record, which GIS location, all is being recorded. There cannot be any duplication will be done in that. So there it is being applied about this. Another thing is that big data, you might have heard the big data. Yeah. Data is there. What is big data? Agriculture, again I am taking the example field where I worked. Sowing means starting of agricultural activity to harvesting. There are so many activities are happening. Agriculture, irrigation is there, agriculture wages is there, pesticide, fertilizer, pricing, so many activities, grass removing, all kind of activity. There is no record in the computer. Because we are putting the how much acre has been grown, how much production has gotten. In between there is no information is there. Now big farmer, every activities are there recorded, how in less way we can produce more. That is being happening. It is going to be replicated throughout the country by government of India. They are working on that. It is on pipeline. How it will be, tell me that. Now, if water we are putting in the agriculture field is flowing, any limitation, any technology is there now available. If you are growing sugar cane, there will be sensor will be put in the field 1 or 2 places. Sensor will detect the dryness of the field and it will intimate to your motor shed. The motor pumping will be started. This activity will get recorded. Every day, what is the weather is happening in that area. When rain is coming, all this information being directly go to the cloud of from the particular field to the cloud it will go to. If it is goes, see, I am telling about weather minutes by minutes. If it is recorded, tell me how much data it will store throughout the country agriculture field. All the animal, if it is put to a wearable technology, about that health condition of the animal, about when it is suffering, all kind of things if you are recording, how much data it will go. All field it is applicable. This cannot be stored in the database. Whatever the SQL is there, Oracle is there, you cannot store because there is no capacity. To store that data, big data has come. Big data means there is no database. Please keep it in your mind very clearly. Big data handling, there is no database. Big data is stored in the normal Excel file, your Auro, Percute, like that, 4 or 5 kind of type of file is there. There simply you are storing. There is, you will put only the first row, this is the state name, this is the district name, this is the year, crop name, like that, heading will be there. All the content will be the running text. From there only we are going to handle the data. This is called big data. Wherever the field is there, you assume. Suppose I am in the airport. See here, a flight takes up to Chennai. If it is reach at New Delhi, the flying is fully monitored. You will not believe that every millisecond of data is being collected. How much? Trillions of data, terabyte of data will get recorded. No database is possible. That's why big data means because the concept which I am telling, if you go with that concept, definitely you will fly, you will exponentially you grow. Please keep it in mind. So big data means there is no database. Only thing is that database is there. What are the computer you are using? What is the IP address you are using? What is the block? What is the configuration? This detail will be stored in Oracle or any kind of Terribly kind of database is there store. But actual data only store in the Excel, normal CSV text file, Auro, Percute, like that different kind of file. If you are in a position, whatever the keyword I am telling, please note it and Google it. You will learn, you will excel, you will come to the higher level, no issue. Now, big data, this data, how you can handle? You might have seen big data means, what is the symbol is there? Elephant. Elephant eating means you know very well. That's why they have put elephant symbol. Okay, na? That is called, to handling that it has come Hadoop distribution file system, HDFS. Hadoop distribution file system. Okay, it is not in database. So, huge data, how computer will handle? That's why you are storing in a text file. Na? If you are asking, select area and production from, if you give a table, your data may be stored in 10 different places in the big data, Hadoop. So 10 different places if it is stored. When it is retrieving, all the 10 queries will retrieve at parallel processing. Parallelly it will process. After that there is a map reduce concept is there. It will reduce and it will provide the data. Single query, it will take even 2 hours, 3 hours also. Because data handling is not the easy thing. Whatever the data your university is having, or it may be some institution or some organization, that is not the data. Data which you are going to work in the data analytics, huge data is needed. Deep learning concept, deep learning is not work, it will not work in the CPU, central processing unit, it is graphical processing unit. It will read lakhs of, I told you na, any leaf is affected by the pesticide. Computer will not tell you. We are human, very powerful brain. We will tell immediately this is affected. For computer, you have to teach everything. Lakhs of leaf proof if you show, then only the lakhth one will go, computer will tell this is affected by the disease. Okay, so train that huge data and you need to be processed. For processing the data, you need the big data. To handling the big data, you need the Hadoop technology which has to be there. Please mention parallel processing. Parallel processing is the concept behind that. You understand some prominent technologies. There are so many technologies available to handling the big data. It is called Hadoop. Hadoop handling, there is a Hive technology is there, H-based technology is there, Spark technology is there. You please note and Google it. You will learn lot of things from that. And also, anybody, you might have heard about natural language processing. A computer, human, we are only doing all. Computer ka only binary number, 0 and 1. Beyond that, computer will not do anything. Algorithm is made by us. Execution is made by everything else actually. These days if you go to Google and type, sir, thank you for attending our conference and providing the info. If you type, it will immediately tell, na. Before typing it says information. Before typing with, if you type thanks, it is coming automatically. How it is coming? Because computer is reading your text. Please, natural language processing means each and every word is converted as a vector. Each and every word is converted as a vector. Vector means nothing. Group of number. Suppose A is there. 65 is the ASCII code. But if you are right, I am Kupusamy working in what computer, how it will do? That's why each word it will take a group of word. Vector means group of word. Group of word means, suppose Kupusamy means 17, 18, 23, like that it will, some sequence of number it will keep. That is called vector database actually. And computer, for natural language processing, it is not doing anything. Google already made whatever word is there in the country. Whatever, all they made it as a vector database. Around millions of words, they made it a GenSim algorithm is there, library is there. There they made it all as vector. Vector in a simple concept you understand. Water is a vector. Water vector means river also. River is a contest vector. Contest vector means river, water is there, na? Cool drinks, it is together. If you see anything, juice, it is together. Ice cream, it is together. Like that, it will make the contest of the word. Computer, you are making the vector togetherness. When computer will not understand anything. Okay? GenSim algorithm is there in the same natural language processing. Each and every word, whether the noun, verb, adjective, composition, proverb, everything it will mark actually. Suppose you are giving to computer, Google made throughout all words. Okay, you take some name, Kupusamy. Google map, Google library, there may not be Kupusamy. For you, there is a named entity recognition is there. You can add the word, whatever the local word you want to give. If you add it, automatically the vector will be formed. You are getting my point? Google made for throughout the world for natural language processing. For locally, we may be having some kind of name. Those names which can be make a vector. For that NER, name entity recognition, you will have to add and work. Like that it is growing enormously the way it is going. Please to understand. And also machine learning, deep learning, please don't confuse. Very crystal clear way you go. Machine learning is a limited, your prediction is there, you can use in machine learning. machine learning, the machine learning concept mein if you see feature engineering. Please see here, state, district, year, area, production, yield. These are 6 are field. Okay. Machine learning, you have to study what field, what feature I have to choose it. Suppose a person, if you are going for, you are going and telling to the machine, I scored this much gate score, my percentage of mark is this much, whether I will get a seat in IIT or not. Already last 50 years, whatever gate score was there, whatever mark is there, that if you hand it over to the system will read, machine learning will read and it will keep ready. When you send it, it will tell that you will get or not. That is only it is doing. There, feature, you will, so many parameters will be there. The person, student, date of birth, gender, so many things will be there. But you are choosing only gate score and mark. That is the feature selection. In the machine learning, you have to choose the machine learning. In the deep learning, you don't have to choose machine. Machine itself will select and choose it. You hand it over to the machine. Suppose in future someone comes and tell, sir, why I have not selected. If you are using machine learning algorithm, you will tell, why you scored this mark, that's why you didn't get it. If you use deep learning, you are not in a position to tell any answer because all is handed over to the computer. That is the machine learning. Please understand, this event, what is happening today, there are so many neural network has been occurred. Another 10 years, if some people another 20 years, 30 years also, they remember the moment. Vice Chancellor came and celebrated. It is recorded in the mind. Same thing we are transforming into the deep learning. If a doctor is, we are saying no, robot is operating, AI is working, everything. Doctor knowledge, exactly we are transmitting into the deep learning algorithm. That is nothing more than that. That is the one. Suppose if you see me, I am working some area I may not be knowing at all. I may be weak also. Some area I may be strong also. But deep learning is not like that. Because no, you please note random forest. Random forest is a algorithm is there. Tree algorithm is there. Where actually random forest, why it has come? In your program, if you want to make a decision, can I grow this crop here? It will see complete history. What was the rain? What was the weather? What was the price? Everything it will see and it will give that yes, you can grow. Sometime that algorithm also become failure. There are so many algorithms is there. You have the suppose lakhs of record, 1,000 data you can give to one algorithm, another 1,000 data you can give to another algorithm. Which one is producing good result? You have to do lot of work. It is not a simple thing for the data analytic world. Each and everything your energy will be taken away like anything. You have to work very hard to become. So if different algorithm you apply, maximum algorithm which has come a correct output, those things you make average, that is the random forest algorithm. So like that a lot of effort has to be put. It is really very easy. Always believe that we are powerful. System is not powerful. We only made that you understand. Okay. I spoken to before this session, few days before, madam, your Gita ma'am spoken to me and told me that, sir, my student, how they can join in government, that you will have to cover, sir, like that. Student, please understand, I have been working more than three decades in Government of India. I am a class 1 gazetted officer. I am working in Government of India, joined as a scientific assistant and now serving as a senior director. There are n number of opportunity in government. Don't think a private IT company. This is also part of your destiny and future. But think about that. Please write, I am working in National Information Center, NIC. You Google it, you will get lot of information. It was, NIC was expanded throughout the country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, all the district collectorate, state government office, central government office, prime minister, president house, everywhere we are there. In seaport, airport, wherever you go, our office is there. All is being interconnected and only one organization for the whole government, irrespective of state or central government. It is a government organization we are serving for more than, this is the 50th year, golden jubilee we are going to celebrate actually. Outside of, believe or not, in the 1985, outside of United States America, we are the only country interconnected Kashmir to Kanyakumari through INSA-2B, through National Informatics Center actually. That is the way now today we are there. So you Google it, NIC recruitment. Whenever there is a opportunity is there, you are fully eligible and apply. Fully eligible, you are apply. There will be objective type of computer paperless exam will be there. There you will be called to New Delhi for the review, interview and attend. I born in a hamlet. Okay, 90s. I was selected for when I went to New Delhi. Even speaking of English also not fluent, very practical. Hindi literally don't know. Know something mathematics, know something about computer science. With that only input only I went. But before transferring here, I was speaker, I was nominated to speak about the National Conference on Agriculture Statistics on computer technology. That much way I have improved and you will also get improved. Always believe that yourself, you all be with friends, everybody, no issue. Individually, if you are coming to institution, today, how I improved. Please see. The nature has to be respected. Respect your body. This Kupusami has to be respected his body. Father, mother, teacher, everybody is second. You have to respect about you. Company, treadmill, no problem. Only your body will improve. Any kind of up and down in life, any kind of situation, you will not get affected by anything. Whether you are success or failure, both you will treat in the same way. Yoga play a key role because due to the breathing exercise, all our internal body made trillions of cells. All will get activated. All will be get refreshed. Whole day you will feel fresh. If you do the breathing exercise, your intake will more than what you wanted. All will happen. And also if you do the breathing exercise, all will happen. And also if you do the breathing exercise, if listening some half an hour English channel news, it will improve because English is a 26 character which made us lot struggle. It is a learning process, endless learning process. So that also very much, whether you are going globally, wherever you are working, that also part of you. So make it that also as a habit. If you have any question, one or two questions, because other obviously also has to speak, I can ready to answer about whatever I spoken, whatever you are keeping in mind. You can ask me one or two questions. Anybody likes. Student, kind of things. Because this is the way. When I was working, he is working, born in agriculture family, working in agriculture. National Informatics Center, nowhere understand, nowhere, so about the people, those who are there. So, this is the way. It may not be, it is a casual talk. Please, one or two questions I am waiting.
We asked many questions, but we didn't get any question from you. Today, sir is the chief guest, so we are maintaining the decorum. So soon we would like to have a technical session exclusively with the faculty members as well as with the students in the presence of our Kupusami sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Inspiration. I would personally like to appreciate all my faculties who were at that time and who taught me everything. So because of them I am here. So I want to take a moment to appreciate the professors here, not only the teaching code, but for helping to shape the minds which will shape the tech world tomorrow. So thank you all. May your code compile in one shot and your bugs always be in if statement anyway. Thank you.
It is a pleasure to hear from our accomplished alumni. Thank you, sir.
all have been waiting for. We officially declare the commencement of NCICT'25 matrix. We invite our chief guest along with the dignitaries to make the official declaration.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Gratitude is the fairest blossom that springs from the soul. To express our heartfelt appreciation, I invite Dr. M. Anand Sir, Additional HOD CSE, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, and I present here. On behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Inauguration Research Institute, it's a great privilege to deliver the vote of thanks at this significant occasion, the 10th National Conference, NCICT'25 Matrix. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. A.C. Shanmugam Sir, our esteemed Chancellor, and our Honorable Engineer A.C.S. Arun Kumar Sir, President of our esteemed University, for its inspiring leadership and gracious presence, which has always been a beacon for our growth and excellence. A special note of thanks to Steve R. Kupasamy Sir, Senior Technical Director, NIC Chennai.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. For inaugurating this conference and delivering a thought-provoking inaugural address. Your words have set a tone of inspiration and innovation for the day. I am deeply grateful to Mr. D. Bhargav, Senior Engineer at TCS, and our district alumni for delivering a truly enlightening keynote address. I extend my sincere thanks to Dr. S. Geeta Shriman, Vice Chancellor, for delivering the presidential address and for our unwavering support and mission that continuously elevate the standards of our academic persist. I would also like to thank our deepest gratitude to our most respected Dr. B. Viswanathan Sir, Rector. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. C.D. Paranivelli Sir, Registrar, and Dr. V. Sridhar Sir, Additional Registrar, for their meticulous efforts and constant encouragement in the organizing this event, and special thanks to our Dr. S. Geeta Ma'am, Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I express my profound gratitude to Dr. K. Mehta Sir, Advisor, Computing Science, and Dr. N. Ithal Sir, Dean of Engineering Technology, and Dr. T. Kalpata Reddy Ma'am, Additional Dean of Engineering Technology, for their invaluable guidance and strategic vision and steadfast support, which have been instrumental in steering this conference towards excellence. A special note of appreciation to Dr. G. Sonia Priyadarshini, Professor and Mageshwari Ma'am, Assistant Professor of CSE, whose tireless dedication, meticulous planning, and unwavering commitment have been the cornerstone of this conference seamless execution in the resounding success. Last but certainly not least, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the participants, delegates, and dignitaries on and off the dais, and faculty members, the students and organizing committee and technical team who have joined us today. Finally, I would like to thank our technical team, Paramasivan Sir. Your presence has truly added grace and prestige to this event. Thank you all.
As we bring this grand inaugural ceremony to a close, let us stand in unity and pride to sing our national anthem.
Jana
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone. Please be seated.
Optimizing knowledge for a smarter future is what research and technology is. With this, we officially have inaugurated the 10th National Conference, NCICT'25 Matrix. We hope this conference will be an enlightening and enriching experience for all. Thank you, and I request the participants to anticipate the next 2 days.